Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Stripe to Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what you can do is you can head over in here to the settings of your Shopify. And then from in here, you can see that we have here this payments right here. So click on payment. And in here, you can choose a payment provider as well as the payment methods that they have. So what we can do is we need to click on this right here to choose a provider. And then under this, we just need to search in here for Stripe. We have here this stripe right here. So just click on this one. And then once you have clicked on this, you will be prompted to enter in some details wherein you can connect your Stripe with Shopify. So just enter in here your email to get started on Stripe. So for example, let me enter in here an email and click on continue. And then from in there, as you can see, this will load. And then I can just put in here an actual password that I can use. Click on login, or if you don't have an account yet, you can head over and create an account on Stripe. So if you don't have an account, you can also reset your password if you actually forgot it. But once you have logged in from Stripe through Shopify, you should be able to integrate it fully from there. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.